locked out of Facebook and missing out on the fun? Don't worry, we'll get you back online. First, let's tackle the most common culprit: and incorrect password. Double check that caps lock isn't on, and ensure you're using the correct email address or phone number associated with your account. Try typing your password in a Notes app first, then copy and paste to ensure you're not making a typo. Still no luck? Click the Forgot Password link. Facebook will guide you through a password reset process, usually via email or phone number. Follow the instructions carefully. Check your email or SMS messages for a reset code or link from Facebook. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you found it, follow the link to create a new, secure password. Sometimes, browser issues can interfere with logging in. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This removes temporary files that might be causing problems. The steps for clearing cache and cookies vary depending on your browser, but you can usually find the option in your browser's settings or history menu. If you suspect your account has been hacked, Facebook offers options for securing your account. Look for options like Secure My Account or Report Compromised Account on the login page or Help Center. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be back to posting, liking, and connecting with friends in no time. If you are still having issues, check out Facebook's Help Center for more in-depth solutions. Good luck.